The club originated in 1881, and I think like in 1895, somewhere in there, they moved out to this site, built a 9-hole course, and then slowly expanded to an 18-hole course. And so we're one of the oldest courses in Kansas City, and it's kind of a hidden gem here.
My theory was that we wanted to start fresh. We wanted to change it. We wanted to make it something special. We wanted to make it a destination. We wanted it to be a unique property among golf courses, particularly in Kansas City, but also in the region. And so to do that, we basically had to change everything from the front door in. It was always a good golf course. It was always a golf course everybody liked to play, but it had its challenges and it had its weaknesses. I was lucky enough to put together a group led by Todd Clark and Ron Witten that were my team in terms of designing, helping us to design and to really look at what we could do with the club.
Here we are in the first hole at Oakwood, and this used to be a dogleg right, and over behind me, behind the sand bunker in that open area, used to be the first green. And then what we've done is we've created a dogleg to the left, so it follows the natural contours of the land here. So here we are in the second hole. It's a par 5. It's 601 yards. What we did here is right down to my left is in the lower part of this fairway, right before the creek, is where the old green was at. And so while the members were playing this, we went ahead and built a new green complex south of the creek and created that new green complex. So we added a new back tee, and we were able to lengthen the hole by almost 100 yards here to get to 601. And then what we have over here is we kind of had a lot of fun. We call it the blister bunker, where the sand actually rolls up over a mound.
Greenside bunkers are always concave, and the origins of bunkers are sand dunes. So my feeling was, why don't we try to do a couple of convex sand dune type things? And with better billy bunker and the gravel underlayment, you can do that and hold the sand on a convex slope.
So we built the new 4th hole and the 5th hole, which is replacing the 2nd and 3rd hole where the new practice facility is going. There's a dramatic elevation change. We dropped probably about 80 feet from the tee down to the landing area. And then we just kind of naturally carved this in and created, I think, something that's very unique to this area. Here we are at the new practice facility. This is approximately about 12 acres down this area. This used to be the old 2nd hole and 3rd hole. And what we're finishing up sodding the range right now. And as you can see out here, what we're trying to do is create 6 distinct target greens. And they're going to be a low-mow bluegrass. And then we're going to wrap around these target greens with the fairway with the zoysia grass. And then we'll have target bunkers out here. The target bunkers are actually a synthetic turf bunker solutions. And so there is no sand out there, and they're supposed to look similar to the bunkers on the golf course. This is the new short game practice facility area. It consumes about 2 to 3 acres, and we have 2 greens here and 2 target bunkers.
We're both passionate about trying to make a practice area where people could practice with a purpose. And so we went out and we charted every hole, and we charted the recovery shots around every green on the actual course, and we tried to reproduce as many of those recovery shots as we could on this short game area.
You know, just to see Oakwood be the gem that it really is. I mean, people don't know about this place. It's been here forever. And they still don't know about it. They will by the time it's all said and done. I think before maybe it was a little spread out as to where things should go and how it should be, but now we definitely have a direction we're headed.